Welcome to Luo English Dictionary 5 Luo words a day. In today's edition, we shall talk about Apodo, Apol, Apome, and Apondo. Please consider subscribing so that you don't miss a video that we post every day for the 5 Luo words a day channel. Apodo. Apodo is a bird. It's called the bustard bird. It's related to the crane. It's in the crane and the plover family. In a sentence, you can say, Winyo mar apondo ohero chamo kamnie. Winyo mar apodo ohero chamo kamnie. So the bustard bird likes feeding on snails. Secondly, we talk about apodo. And apodo is spotted, like the cow you can see there. When it's spotted, especially if it's spotted black and white, you can say apodo, dhiang' mar apodo cha emane onyuom godo auma. Dhiang' mar apodo cha emane onyuom godo auma. So the auma's bride price was paid using that spotted cow. Usually it's about black and white or gray and white. The third word is Apol. Now I had two spellings, Apol and Apol. And the plural is Aponde. Apol is a waterbuck. The plural is Aponde. Apol biro ga modho etie aora Ndoya. So the waterbuck usually comes to the river Ndoya for water breaks. Apol biro ga modho etie aora Ndoya. Okay. Then we move on to the fourth word, which is apome. Apome is being protective or preventive. Apome. Apome. And the last word of the day is Apondo. Apondo. So Apondo is a species of hyenas, a very large species of hyenas. And in a sentence you can say, Apondo nyalo kata chamo dhiang' achiel matiek kende. So the large hyena can eat one whole cow by itself. Apondo nyalo kata chamo dhiang' achiel matiek kende. Great. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. And we have 5 Luo words every day, same time, same place. See you tomorrow. Oriti.